Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy the Pepe coin on Coinbase Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First step is open up your Coinbase Wallet. Make sure you possess some sort of a cryptocurrency. And when I mean cryptocurrency, I mean as the Ethereum token, which is where the Pepe coin is founded upon, which is where it gets its root from. Make sure you possess some Ethereum for transaction and to also pay the gas fee. Once you do possess Ethereum, you simply head over to the browser, which is at the bottom of the screen. Here, you simply click on browser and scroll down to where you have the top apps, and then you simply scroll down till you find Uniswap, or you select the swap menu and it shows the Uniswap swap holders. You click on Uniswap, give it some time to load in the Uniswap interface. Once you've done that, you're simply going to click on Select Token, where you simply search for the Pepe token. But if it doesn't show up, you minimize from here, open up your browser application. The website of interest is coinmarketcap.com, and we're looking at the Pepe token right about now. We copy Ethereum contract address. After that, head back to the Coinbase Wallet app. Paste this wallet address here. Once it pasted, you click on the Pepe and you input the amount of Ethereum you are willing to trade in exchange for this Pepe token. So simply put the required amount of Ethereum you are willing to trade, and then you will see the option of swap. Simply click on that and this will take you to the interface where you have to put the details and will be able to buy the Pepe coin. So that's basically how you can buy the Pepe coin on Coinbase Wallet. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.